Hey guys, what's up? It's Erin. Well, it's still raining in LA. There is no end in sight, but I thought I would do a 3-week update on this epic plant haul from Ecuagenera from the Rainforest Flora pop-up. So here's what. This Thai constellation monstera is still giving me life, and it's also giving me a new leaf in there. Go, baby. Veitchii is doing great. This Veitchii is part of the plant haul, and it's been repotted. It is still looking great. I just sprayed everybody down with the Russo Plant Care Healthy Leaf Compound. Okay, so this queen sadly was assaulted by an 8-year-old right here, but the rest of the leaf is looking good. However, behind here we are losing a leaf, sadly, and such is life. But these two are still looking good. So moving on. So king, great. Queen, not so much. I'll get to this poor soul next. Okay. So this philodendron, still amazing. By the way, these guys are under the grow light still. 8 hours a day. So this guy's still looking great, looking healthy. Lost one here. So that didn't make it. However, we have a new leaf, and I noticed he started to tear back here as he was coming out. So I did spritz him with the Healthy Leaf Compound to help provide some moisture and let him unfurl gracefully. The anthurium crystallinums are still looking great. Both of them, again, repotted, looking happy, especially this guy back here. So, hardy girls, these two. And then this philodendron patricii, still looking amazing. My other philodendron, looking good. Okay, saddest story ever. This monstera Esqueleto, not really making it. So this leaf here looks okay. This is like the king daddy leaf here. I don't know if you remember, but we had a leaf coming off of it that was new, that was not looking great from the get-go. So he shriveled up and died. When I repotted this, though, I took a look at the roots, and they were not super established. So I wasn't the most surprised. So I feel a little bit less guilty. But there was that leaf hanging off of this initial one, and he also just shriveled up and died. So he yellowed. I took him off. This one's still going strong. You know what? You win some, you lose some. This guy here, last but not least, looking good. We have a little bit of yellowing on this leaf. Like I said, this one was always like curled and looking kind of funny. But we have a new growth here, and this guy looks really good and healthy. So all is not lost. So overall, I'm actually really pleased with the transplanting and acclimation process that these went through in this little aroid corner. I've still been running the humidifier on it. I've still been doing the grow light, and everybody is in that airy, chunky soil mix. So we'll see how we proceed from here. But I still, this plant corner makes me so happy. I love looking at these guys when I come home. Okay, thank you so much for watching. If you thought this was interesting, give it a thumbs up. Subscribe for more plant content and plant care tips and tricks. Thank you so much for watching. See you next time.